everything going. My name is Sister Linda, and this show's about my man, the Pope. Yeah, he's my man. I'm doing a shout out to you, baby, over in Italy, Mr. Pope. You know you my man. I have a guest over here. Her name is Helen. You know us girls, us sisters, we got to stick together. Helen, I want to ask you a question. Let's get right into it. Have you been raped by or molested by a priest?
No.
You have not?
No, I haven't.
You know, that's funny. Because, excuse me, I'm going to stand up for a couple seconds. I want to talk to you guys out there. You know, I've been molested by priests damn near all my life. How you doing, Clever Dollar? Okay. TD James, how you doing? You be down here at Skid Row in LA. But back to my subject matter about being molested by priests. When I was a little, at one time I was a boy. When I was a little boy, you know, priests used to always pat me on the back and all this other stuff, and before you know it, they stuck their tongue down my damn mouth. I'm kissing priests and all this other stuff, and then they got me doing nasty stuff in the safe. You know where they keep all the alcohol and the liquor and the wine and all that other stuff. I had to do all that stuff, and the nuns too. Yeah, they was getting me too. You know. And while I'm on that subject, you know, Oprah, I know why you won't have me on your show. Cause you don't want me to tell you all, your people, about the priest and the Pope and what they done did to me. See, this is why I'm like I am out here. See, this is why I like it. You like it, don't you, Pope, baby? You look. I'm tired of being this way. You know, I've been writing Oprah and Tyra, and they don't want me on their show. They want to hide black people like me. You go down to Skid Row and shut up. They don't want us to be in existence, so they hide us. But thank you for Skid Row Live LA down here, because I can bring my show on TV. I'm coming at you, girls. I got some competition for you, Tyra. You don't know nothing about this, girl. But look here. And I just want to tell you about the Pope. And the Cardinal Mahoney here. Cardinal Mahoney, he won't pay me. He won't give me no money every time I go and talk to Cardinal Mahoney and all this stuff here. He won't give me no money. I tell him what the Pope did to me. They tell me, you born that way. Something wrong with you. But the bottom line is, I told him, I said, your priest did this. I wasn't always like this, you know. The priest told my mama that they wasn't doing it. And every time that I told my mama the priest was doing it, I get a whooping. She beat me with the razor strap. Yeah, Oprah, you don't want me to tell that, do you? Because I'm the bad part down here. You go ahead and you do something on Harpo or whatever. But that's back then. Okay, I feel sorry for Harpo and what happened to black people back then. But nowadays, we got problems now.
Say, girl.
Thank you very much, sister. We got problems right now. And I got problems now. And this is what the priest did to me. Go on with your Baptist selves.
Tell me.
You're the Baptists and 12th dimensional Catholics and all this other stuff. And by the way, I see you looking under my dress. You know, oh, Pope John, I know you're freaky. You know, I want to raise up your skirt because every time I see you walking, I don't see no 2 feet. It'd be like 8 legs under there.
Oh, girl.
And no little boy feet going on down there. I know what you're doing under there.
Tell me.
I'm gonna try to do it. I ain't gonna, you know what? The thing is Tyra and all these other people. No, every time I write them, they say thank you for your story, and they burn my picture.
Because you're telling the truth.
They burn my picture and say we don't want nobody to know this. But I got competition for what you jealous, baby. You're jealous. You're jealous, Tyra. I know what's wrong with you, girl. That's my girl Helen. See, thank God I got some celebrity right here. See, Tyra, you can wick your wig. See, you can do your stuff, but I can do mine too.
Sure can.
You know, thanks to the priests and their rapes. I can't even sneak down here in Skid Row. They give me a place. They won't give me no Social Security, SSI, because they swear I'm straight down here. That's what they call. Ain't no wrong with you. That's normal.
They don't know what happened.
No, every time I tell them that, they try to sweep that under the rug. And then that's what you do too, don't you, Oprah? Don't you, Oprah? You do the same thing to Sister Linda. I done went to all these damn Baptist churches. And in the night, I'll do whatever they want. And before I know it, the damn pastor is in me.
Oh,
I'm tired of that stuff. Why can't you just be straight with your wives? Why can't you? We can't go nowhere and we can praise God in peace before you want to stick something in us in the name of God.
tell them, Sister Linda.
I said I'm tired of it, and you want our money too. So what kind of, y'all mean, I don't see no difference between the pimp and what y'all doing in the churches. You know what I'm saying? Dollar man, clap on. Jesse, Jesse. They got tired of Jesse Jackson. Had a baby.
Sure did.
Out of wedlock. And by the way, since I'm on that subject, you know I'm schizophrenic. You know, on that subject, I do have a baby, you know. Michael Jackson's son, that's my baby.
But you weren't going to tell him that.
Yeah, well, I'm the mama and the daddy.
Okay.
I did it to myself.
How'd you do
Now look, John, and all you people out there trying to say that's your kid. Them are my babies. Michael Jackson's babies. Those are my kids, and I want my kids back. And while I'm on that subject, we got the mayor here. He don't want to do nothing. I see old Mayor Bella, what's his name, Bella Goosey? I don't know what's up with him. But I know he rides around here at 12 o'clock.
Did you hear he was married one time?
I don't know about that, but I know he rides around here, and I done been in a car with a masked man.